What to do when you get a battery low message. Your LH80 Pro will tell you when it's time to address potential issues with your battery. If you're getting the message, "Error, battery low," this video is for you. Step 1. Visually inspect the charger, which includes the AC adapter and USB cord. Also, inspect the LH80 helmet port to make sure there's no issues or physical damage to either the power cable, the AC adapter, or the power port on your helmet. Step 2. Is your helmet fully charged? Let's review two scenarios and find out. If your helmet appears to be fully charged with the solid green light on the rear power switch, but you're still getting a battery low message,
"Error, battery low,"
you'll need a new battery. Contact information is at the end of this video. If you're attempting to charge the helmet, but the master switch does not turn solid green within 4 hours, you'll need a new charger and a new battery. If either scenario in this video pertains to you, please contact us at 855-549-6757 or email us at support@theradome.com for further instructions.